Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share my family room makeover, and before I get started I have to say thank you guys for 70K. I feel like I just did a video thanking you guys for 60K and now we're at 70K. We are really shooting up there, right? I'm so excited, but thank you guys so much. I really appreciate the love and support. You know this is just so exciting. Like it's so exciting. Let me not get started because you guys know I tend to get a little extra. And if you've been, subscribed for a while, you already know it's not even about numbers when it comes to my channel. I'm here to inspire you guys. And although I feel like I'm kind of slacking with like the cleaning videos because I've been so focused on this like home makeover that I've pretty much neglected the cleaning, because honestly I've neglected cleaning in my house. It's sad, but I'm so serious. I've been tidying up and stuff like that, but I haven't been doing any deep cleaning. But I'm definitely going to continue on with those videos. Don't worry, I'm still going to be doing them. I just decided to just focus on this living room makeover and just get it out of the way. I wasn't trying to rush the process. It can be pretty exhausting, so continue to have patience with me because I really do need it and I really do appreciate it. The family room is done. The living room is done. I'm not even going to mention the dining room because I don't want you guys to be looking for it like next week. I'm going to show you guys the before pictures because I always forget to do the before and then show you the after. Let's do the overview of the space and then I'm going to come back and go around the room, tell you guys where I purchased everything. So I hope you enjoy watching, guys. So I'm standing on the stairs right now. This is what you see when you come down. My front door is over here. And we're just gonna start right here. All right, so I purchased the ottomans from At Home and the legs were an oak color and I didn't like it. So I went ahead and spray painted them gold. It's like a champagne gold. I might, go back and make it more of a gold, but I'm still debating because I like it. It'll do for now. And some of you might remember this table. It was in the family room, but I purchased a new table for the family room that looks so much better in this space, and I went ahead and put this one in here and I love it. It's so nice. I found it at Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's been sold out for a while. I'll try to link another seller. But yeah, then I have some books. I am waiting for some like home decor books that I've been like trying to get my hands on. I ordered some from TJ Maxx, but until then I just have the books from Dollar Tree sitting here. And I just have this plant. The vase is from TJ Maxx, I believe, or Ross. I'm not really sure. But the flowers are so realistic. I did do a video on the flowers a while back, but I will try to find the link for you guys. Very realistic and beautiful. And then I have this mirrored tray from Amazon. The candles, oversized candles, are from Ross. And I went ahead and hot glued some pendants on the candles. It didn't come like that, but the pendants are from Michaels. And then I have them sitting on mirrored candle holders from Dollar Tree. And over here I just have this chair that I got from Hey Needle. I actually purchased this one like not too long ago. But the one over here I found like maybe 7 years ago at Tuesday morning. So I was able to find another one because I decided I wanted two for this space. And then I have this really cute throw from Home Goods. And the pillows are from Ross. And over here I have these tables. I found them at Ross. So cute. I really wanted to have like that nesting look on one side of the sofa, and it's perfect. It's so nice. And the vase is from Home Goods, and I just put some succulents that I found at Dollar Tree inside. And then I have this decorative book here from Kirkland's, and I have it here because I needed to give the lamps some height so that they could be even, both lamps. So yeah, that's why I have that there. And of course the lamp is from Rose. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably know where the majority of the stuff is in this room. You guys should really follow me on Instagram, because when I go out to the stores, I'm like putting it on my stories. So you're seeing what's out there in stores before I like do a video about it, or like a home decor haul. So you should definitely follow me on Instagram, because I am always showing you guys the goodies that are like at Ross and, you know, all of the home decor stores. All right, so the table on this side is from Home Goods. And the little vase is from Kirkland's. I had like some summer flowers inside, but I took those out and stuck these succulents inside. Really cute. And then I have this piece of art. I found this on Amazon. It's from Ashley's Home Furniture. So pretty. The sconces are from Kirkland's. And the sofa is from Value City Furniture. I love this sofa so much. It's so pretty. It sucks that they're not selling it anymore, where they're not like making this style anymore. But yeah, it's a really nice sofa. I wish I could like link it for you, but I haven't been able to find it. Now, as far as the pillows, the blue pillows are from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I'm not really sure. One of those stores. The round pillows are from Ross. So pretty. And then my little Glam pillow here is from Home Goods. All right, let's go over here to the bookcase area. So I just put this, you know, fur throw in front of it. I thought it was cute. And it's from Amazon. Yeah, I got that from Amazon. And on the bookcase, well, the bookcase is from Hey Needle. This is the NOLA bookcase from Better Homes and Gardens. So you can find it on Jet. If you're going to buy more than one, I recommend you get it from Jet, because they do like a discount if you buy more than one. So yeah, definitely try Jet. But as far as the decor, so I have the leaf tray from TJ Maxx, and then I found these cute decorative balls from Tuesday Morning, really glam. And then I have these really beautiful crystal bookends from Home Goods, and I found like some books at Dollar Tree just to like fill the space, but I didn't buy any book. I picked books that are actually interesting, like I would actually read them. There are a lot of fiction, but I like fiction, so. And this piece is from At Home, really pretty. I have two. Then I have these vases from Ross. So glam, so pretty, and those same flowers. And this camera is from Ross as well. Up here I have this glam globe from Ross, and I believe this is from Dollar Tree. Then I have this picture frame. I need to put a picture in it, but I found that at Kirkland's. And if you're new to my channel, the bookcase did not come with the marble shelf. I did do that. I just used some really pretty marble contact paper, and I only wanted to put it on the bottom shelf and on the top shelf because I didn't want to see the decor. Like if you're sitting down on the chair and you look over, you would be able to see the bottom of the decor. So I decided to put some contact paper there to kind of, you know, hide that. Don't want to look at the bottom of it. And I really like it. I really like it. So cute. All right, so over here I just have this cabinet to keep like office supplies, because as you can see, this is my office space as well. So I just have this in here. I do want to paint it so it can like, you know, blend more with the rest of the room. I feel like this is more of a rustic glam piece, but I'm thinking about painting it like a metallic color, but I don't think it looks terrible, you know. I just honestly, I don't feel like painting. That's why I didn't do it yet. And these mirrored frames are from Ross. This vase is from Home Goods, and I just love this chain. It's so pretty. And then I just have some greenery inside from Home Goods as well. All right, so I found these on Amazon and I was just testing it out in the space, but I did order some like silk navy blue curtains. I'm waiting for them to arrive because I honestly didn't want anything with a pattern because I feel like I have enough. You know, I have pattern on the rug. I have this piece of art. I didn't want to overdo it. Although I don't feel like I am overdoing it. I think it still looks good. It's not like clashing, but you know, I'm going to be doing the living room and dining room and I want it to like be cohesive. Having these curtains in the dining room isn't, it's not looking right. So I have to get curtains that's going to look good in both spaces. And as soon as I'm done with the dining room, I will have that video up. All right, so the chair is a chair I found at TJ Maxx a really long time ago. And then I just have this throw on it. I found this at Burlington's. Yeah, and then I have this really cute pillow that I found at Tuesday Morning. And you guys know the desk from Amazon. And my candle just went out, but this really cute tea light candle holder is from Ross. And I have this I'm a Boss sign that's from Home Goods. This plant is from TJ Maxx. And the lamp is from Tuesday Morning. And then I put this wall decor above the desk, you know, just to, you know, put something there. I'm still trying to decide on how I want to decorate this wall, but I thought this was cute. So I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it there. But yeah, let's see. Oh, the basket. I found this at home. I just figured I'll put something in this little corner. I think it looks nice. Little cute decorative touch. And I just have a throw in it with some accent pillows. This one is from At Home, and this one, I believe I found this at Ross. And the rug, so this is from Home Depot. And the floors, because I always get questions about my floors, they are from Lowe's. These are the Pergo Max Premier. This style is Silver Mist Oak. And I love them. They're so nice. And yeah, guys, that's it. This is the living room. I am loving it so much. It looks so nice. So nice. I'm going to start decorating for Christmas pretty soon. And I do want to put a tree in here. So I'm thinking about moving this bookcase back to this side of the wall and having my tree in the corner. You know, I've been debating on if I want to do that anyways. Like just put the bookcase back here or just leave it in the corner like that. I don't know. You guys can be the judge. What do you think? Maybe I should put it over there. You know what? Let me do that right now. All right. So like that. I like this way too. I like both ways. I swear I'm so indecisive sometimes, but I like this way too. Have the rug in front of it. But yeah, if I put a tree, it's going to be like a really slim tree. I'm going to have to move the bookcase over some more so I can just like put it right in the corner. We'll see. That's if I decide to put a tree in here. Because right now my focus is the family room. That's where I usually, you know, decorate for Christmas. But I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, keep the bookcase here or stick it back in the corner. But yeah, guys, that is it. Definitely loving this makeover. It looks just so good in here. It looks just so good. It looks like a living room now instead of just like my office space as soon as you come in the house. But to have it just like right here in the corner, that's good enough for me. I love everything about this room, guys. Everything. Like you guys, if you don't like it, then you just don't like it. You could say some crap in the comments because I know I'm going to get somebody talking crap. I always do. But there's absolutely nothing you can say to me that's going to make me not like this space. And that's what's so great about interior design. You can do whatever you want. It's your home. Decorate it however you want to decorate it. If you like playing with patterns, play with them. If you like playing with textures and you just like mixing it all together, then do it. It's your place. Don't let someone else tell you, oh, you shouldn't do this or you shouldn't do that. It's your home. So do what you want and have fun with it. And do not care about what anyone else thinks. Because if it makes you happy, then that's all that really matters. That's all that matters. But yeah, guys, let me just stop right there before this video turns into a rant. But I hope you enjoyed watching, and you know, you got some inspiration if you like it, and you know, this is your style. If you're a minimalist, don't know why you're here, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'll be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.